Good morning. We just ate and we're up way later than the goal. It's like noon now.
We've made it to the bus station on our way to ride a boat along the Seine.
We have like the wallet like tap for all of like, the metros and stuff, and we got the bus ticket, but we're unsure if it will work.
We're hoping we got the correct ticket.
Yeah.
Because yesterday we hopped on, tried to scan our pass, and it was not working, but it was literally like our metro ticket, so. But the bus driver was like, just get on, guys.
Yeah, that's how everybody is. They're just like,
so. I think we got the right one though now. It seems right. Yeah. So, we'll see.
My legs are chafing because it's so hot. Now I have a rash.
We need some like linen pants.
Yeah. Guess we have to go shopping.
We made it to the Eiffel Tower. Where is it? Oh, right there. That girl just like did a peace sign in my video, but I don't think I got her. We have successfully made it onto the boat like 3 hours later than we wanted to. But
Oh my god. Look at her.
right here. What?
Move your head.
Oh. I was like, what? Yep. We're getting a little tour of all the attractions. Wow.
Look at it.
We finished our boat ride. We are going to attempt to find a little restaurant, cafe, coffee lunch spot with a view of the tower. We'll see if we're successful in that, but we're hungry and tired, so we need food and coffee. Yeah. Bye.
Our food's here. We're on our way back.
I don't know where we're going.
We go to schools. I realized I think it's ginger eyebrows. I think she's actually a ginger, but she just dyes her hair so often that you can't tell.
We're going back to our roots. We're getting on the Lime bikes and we're gonna go to some shopping area. We're sitting outside of the change spot because we needed more cash. And now we're gonna go find a spot.
Wait, we got cash. Ivy got 30 euros and they charged her $55.
Anyways, we bought a lot of shot, so Ani needs to buy a suitcase because Riyamashi said that she could. So we're gonna go grab a suitcase and then hop on the bus. We're on our way to the club. I'm wearing like a sundress and my Teva sandals.
And I am wearing my mommy's two-piece.
Hopefully
they let us
get
in.
We're on the train to the club.
Oh my god.
First train. We have another one to take after this.
We're on a bus.
Bus, sorry. Wow, look how large.
Don't look at my shoes though. And my skirt is so wrinkly.
Bye.
Hey guys.
so lost.
We've been walking around for 30 minutes at least. We've seen a car crash. We've spoken to many people who don't speak English.
And don't know where we're
And
going. One told us to go one way.
yeah, one told us to go left, but he said he doesn't speak English, so he might have meant right.
Who knows?
I don't
know. We had talked to another one, and they were like,
It's
no,
closed tonight, but it's Saturday, and it says it closes at 6 a.m. online.
On freaking Apple and Google.
Yeah. So we don't know what's up. Also, it's a Saturday night. Like, why would it be closed? It's not Bastille Day. It's not the 13th, because a lot of things are closed on the 13th and the 14th. But it's the 11th. So Oh wait, is it? I think it's the 12th actually.
It's the 12th.
Yeah, it is the 12th. Okay, we'll tell you if we have any luck. Oh, I see a lot of pink lights up there. We'll tell you we will tell you if we have any luck. But if not, then we'll go somewhere else.
Yeah, like you think it was just like on the other street.
Yeah. I think honestly we don't know how to read a map.
Guys, can you believe it? We didn't film an outro. But we got home at 7 a.m. and slept.
And I don't need to ever do that again.
So, yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
Good night, guys.
Bye.
Or good morning.